Hi there, Sherry here. Welcome to my channel. And today I'm going to talk about BÉIS luggage and my journey with it. I started off with the starter set and quickly expanded to lots of other pieces and being an active member of their loyalty program. So I'm going to share some of my favorite pieces, what I use them for, and how much simpler it makes my travel life. So enjoy. If you like what you hear, subscribe and like the video, put your comments below, and I will also have the products linked below. So my first two pieces of BÉIS luggage were the east-west tote and the carry-on roller. Then when I went to Europe, I realized that I barely got away with using that size carry-on and the east-west tote. So I shifted to the small carry-on and the backpack. Then of course I loved everything so much that I got the large check-in bag and then the mini weekender. And the dop kit. I actually want to get this for my husband in black. And then the clear bags for my liquids and my toiletries, and then also my everyday makeup. This color is Atlas Pink, which I love, but I did get the regular size packing cubes in maple. This was a gift for being part of the loyalty program. I had enough points to get this. These are not the compression cubes, they're the regular cubes. And these little mesh bags I bought separately. You can buy those separately on the website. But there are so many pieces in this. There's shoe bags, there's a little goodie bag that you could put whatever in there. I like to have things compartmentalized when I'm packing because it just makes it so much easier to think through my outfits when I'm traveling. So I really love these. And then I also have the pink compression, the Atlas Pink compression bag. So it comes with two big compression bags and then several smaller bags that you can put like underwear and socks. This dirt bag and then a not basic bag come with every piece of luggage, not the totes, but like the large check-in bag, the carry-on bag, the small carry-on bag. And then you can see these are little smaller bags that come with the compression set, but they are not compression. You get two big compression bags and then smaller compartments. And you can see how I kind of store everything all together. And again, it makes packing so much easier. I just absolutely love it. So when I'm going on a long trip, I check my large check-in bag, and sometimes I'll check my regular size carry-on with it extended. Okay, this is the big makeup case, and it has a case for your brushes that pulls out. It's just magnetic. It clicks in there. And I do love this because it holds so much, and it's got a mirror that comes with it. And then this is my everyday makeup, and I have this on my counter. It's my go-to, and then I just pop it in my bag. And this is the dop kit again. I wanted to show you the inside, and that it also has a zippered compartment below where you can store things like your electric toothbrush, whatever you want to bring. And this is kind of everything that I have. And I did get stickers on Amazon to personalize my luggage with the S for Sherry. And this is so fun. I just love this. And everything's so durable and practical. And then you can see this with the luggage covers. So originally I got the luggage covers in the Atlas Pink, but they got so filthy. So for the carry-on and the large check-in bag, I got black. And then I still have the pink one for my small carry-on because I usually don't end up having to check that, but sometimes the plane's really dirty and I just want to cover that up. You can see these little bag charms, the mini weekender bag charm. I just love that. It fits actually AirPods in it. It's practical. And the roller bag charm also has compartments for like earrings or vitamins or whatever you would want to put in this. So I absolutely love Base Luggage, and I'm always looking for what they come out with next. I use the East West tote bag as a regular everyday work bag too. Like I'll even put my crossbody bag inside and then put that in my car. So my go-to for a short weekend trip is the mini weekender with the small carry-on roller. And then when I did a longer trip, like a cruise, I did the small carry-on, the backpack as my personal item. And then I used the regular carry-on, but zipped it out so it was extended as a check-in suitcase. And then I also checked in the large check-in suitcase. And of course I used all the, toiletry bags and the compression cubes and all of that good stuff. So I already told you I use the East West tote as kind of an everyday tote bag in my car with my water bottle, my headphones, anything extra, because I usually run into the store with a crossbody bag. So I'm really loving using it for that. One thing that I found, the backpack was super convenient to have on the cruise because when we went ashore, I just had that backpack on, and then any sort of touristy things that I bought, I could just put in the backpack, so I wasn't carrying anything heavy. But I really, really, really loved that. I'm thinking my next piece is probably going to be the medium check-in bag. I, again, am very happy with Base Luggage. I love the things that it does. You can see in the related video how I pack the mini weekender, and I will be doing more videos featuring, the exclusive pieces so that you can see how I pack and what I put into it and what it looks like and all of the amazing features of each piece. But I wanted to give you an overview of what I have in my storage closet for my luggage pieces, and I just hope you have happy travels. I'll talk to everybody soon. Take care. Remember, subscribe, like, comment, and take a look at the links if you're interested.